Okay, the next thing we're going to do is change the branding and the contact information for this tour. So how we do that is we go over here to the left-hand side. Under Edit Tour where we've been, we're going to go to Brand Kit. Okay, now our first thing we can do right here is upload our logo. So I'm going to grab a logo off of my desktop down here. Click to upload, sorry, you click to upload and then this comes up and now you can see. Alright, this is a logo image that I like. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, let's use that image. But that could be any logo. A little bit off center, but it'll do the job. Okay, that is our new logo. Let's preview this guy. And you'll notice that our logo is at the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Okay, now here we are at the website, and you can notice that there's all the stuff we've done. This is on my phone. I have the toggle motion controls, and you can see that on the upper left-hand corner, my logo stays fixed there the whole time. So no matter where I look, no matter where I go in this tour, my logo is going to stay right there. All right.